Hello, friends. Good day to you all wherever you are right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. What I have to share with you today is a particular Bitcoin alternative coin that I would like you to start mining now. Start mining this Bitcoin alternative coin now. So it's not something that you need to procrastinate. You need to start now because thousands of people they lose the opportunity that was in Bitcoin in some years back. They thought it was just a scam and they missed that opportunity. We even heard of a man that bought a pizza with 10,000 units of Bitcoin. Okay, so this can be another Bitcoin in disguise, but you need to take the step now in order for you not to regret later. So this is what I'll be sharing with you in today's video. But before I go deep, I welcome you to this channel. This is a channel where I share with you my online ways of earning money, my online ways whereby I make money for myself on daily basis. Alright, you can watch any of my training videos, and if you like them, you can contact me for any question on how you too can make money online. I have several content on the channel, so feel free to browse through the channel and watch some of my videos and do your due diligence research before you venture into any of the video, into any of the content discussed, because this channel is all about financial education and not advice. All right, so what I have for you today is all about Bitcoin alternative coin that I would like you to start mining. So without wasting our time, you need to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, turn it to all notifications for you to be continually aware and notified whenever I upload new video. It is very important that you do this. Okay, kindly do that now. Click on the notification bell as well. Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell as well. So let's go to the business of the day. So you can mine this coin with your mobile phone. If you are using Android device or you are using Apple device, so I will show you the app that you are going to download right now. So this is the app right here. So the name of the app is B. As you can see, it is B. So just go straight to App Store or Google Play Store, depending on the that you are using, and download that. So you have B app. So this is how it goes. You start mining. You can see that this is the 50% rate cut. So we are experiencing halving. That is a period whereby when the price or when the mining power of that of the coin will be reduced. That is halving. They call it halving. So it started from 1.6 B per hour. Then the next halving was 0.8 B per hour. Then the next one was 0.4 B per hour, and right now we are in 0.2 B per hour. So we need to start now before the next halving, and the next halving is 0.1 B per hour. So just start now and start mining this coin. So when you download the app, you are going to use I will give you the invitation code. I will drop it in the description box of this video. So just go to the description box of this video and copy the invitation code so that you can activate your account. And after it has been activated, then you click on this button, on this B button here. You can see it shows that the B is active, but if your account is not active, it will be in red. So when you click on it, it will start mine for you. So you can see you come back every 24 hours to start all over again. So that is how to go about it. So keep on mining this coin. Nobody knows how much it can worth in the nearest future. let's assume this is sold for $1 in the next 2 years. That means I will be having close to, right now I will be having $1,932 free of charge. So you can even make more than this before it gets launched into the various cryptocurrency exchange sites. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is what I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family, and also give me a thumbs up. Okay, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye bye for now.